The Kraken, an ancient creature recounted in numerous stories of Norse mythology, is known as an extremely terrifying monster to seafarers. The Kraken has caused many shipwrecks and strange disappearances. So, is the Kraken a real creature or just a product of imagination, exaggerated by ancient people? In Norwegian, Kraken is the name of a sea monster in legend shaped like an octopus. In films, they are portrayed as a mobile disaster that can destroy everything with just a tentacle. Thus, Kraken became the obsession of fishermen in Nordic folklore. It is called the demon of the seas from Norway to Iceland, even to the distant Greenland, carrying an enormous size. Ships passing through the territorial waters of Kraken were determined to become its prey. Its attack method was to use its tentacles to wrap around the ship's hull and crush it like squeezing an orange. It is said that Kraken could devour an entire ship without difficulty. Indeed, if you're going to crush a boat, the reward must also be worthy. And if that method fails, this tentacled beast will swim in circles to create a large whirlpool, dragging the crew down to the cold, dark depths of the sea. Do you reckon these colossal monsters are limited to the abyssal depths of the ocean? Are you truly confident in your safety, even within the confines of an empty swimming pool? Have you ever considered the notion that these titans might have smaller offspring, lurking within the depths of the city, dwelling beneath underground water systems, or perhaps concealed amidst the urban landscape? Perhaps in some forgotten, desolate swimming pool, they lie in wait for the opportune moment to claim you as their prey. Hey fam, AmazingTrungX is back. This week, we're diving into the legend of the Kraken, a mythical creature from Norse mythology. Join me on this epic adventure. I see a lot of online discussions about the fear of the Kraken in the deep oceans, but very few people mention how dangerous it would be if the Kraken appeared in the city. So, this week, I wanted to create a model based on the idea of a Kraken residing in a deserted swimming pool. First, I assembled foam sheets to create the base for the model. Then, I drew thin foam sheets to simulate the swimming pool tile effect. My idea is to depict the Kraken with its head sticking out from the door and its tentacles extending along the pipes to attack its prey. This will evoke a terrifying image akin to horror movies. The prey will definitely be unable to escape the tentacles surrounding it from all sides. Unfortunately, while pouring resin for the swimming pool, a small incident occurred causing air bubbles to form, and the transparency of the water in the pool was lost. Therefore, I decided to remove the flawed part and redo it. Next, I will begin coloring the Kraken and adding other details such as the swimming pool, prey, etc. Since this is a deserted swimming pool that few people know about, I aim to make it appear old and creepy to instill more fear in people. You know, I was staring at the swimming pool wall, and I thought, hey, why be boring when we can be splash-tastic? I've got a genius idea to spice up that wall. Dive into my brainwaves, and let's splash some excitement into this pool. Unfortunately, while pouring resin for the swimming pool, a small incident occurred causing air bubbles to form, and the transparency of the water in the pool was lost. Therefore, I decided to remove the flawed part and redo it. This time, please join me in reviewing our accomplishments this week. If you enjoy my videos or have any suggestions for future topics, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment on what you'd like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching.